The Lion and the Mouse. One day, a big strong lion was sleeping under a tree in the forest. His golden mane shone in the sun, and his large body took up a lot of space. As he snored softly, a small mouse ran by. The mouse didn't see the lion and accidentally ran over his paw. The lion woke up with a roar. He was very angry.
Who dares to wake me?
He growled, showing his sharp teeth. The mouse was very scared. She tried to run away, but the lion caught her with his big paw.
Please, don't eat me!
The mouse squeaked.
I'm sorry! I didn't mean to wake you up!
The lion looked down at the tiny mouse. He could easily crush her with one bite, but then he thought, what harm can such a small creature do? So, he smiled a little and said,
Why should I let you go? You are so small. What can you do for me?
The mouse, still trembling, said,
I know I am small, but if you let me go, I might be able to help you one day. You never know! Even little friends can be helpful.
The lion laughed loudly.
You help me? That's funny.
But he was in a good mood, so he lifted his paw and said,
All right, I'll let you go. Run along, little one. But I don't think I'll ever need help from someone as tiny as you.
The mouse was very grateful.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. I won't forget this. I'll help you someday, I promise.
She squeaked as she ran off into the forest. A few days later, the lion was walking through the forest when he got trapped in a hunter's net. The more he struggled, the tighter the ropes became. The lion roared for help, but no one came. Just then, the mouse heard the lion's roar. She ran as fast as she could, and saw the lion caught in the net. Without wasting any time, she said,
Don't worry, I'll help you.
The lion looked at her with surprise.
You? How can you help me? This net is too strong for someone like you.
But the mouse didn't give up. She quickly began to chew through the ropes with her sharp little teeth. Bit by bit, the ropes broke. Soon, the lion was free. The lion stood up and looked at the mouse in amazement.
I didn't believe you could help me,
he said.
But today, you saved my life. Thank you.
The mouse smiled and said,
Even a little mouse can help a mighty lion. Sometimes, small friends can make a big difference.
The lion nodded and said,
I've learned my lesson. I won't underestimate anyone again.
And from that day on, the lion and the mouse became good friends. Moral of the story: even the smallest can help the strongest. Never underestimate the power of kindness.